Assalamualaikum and good evening. Today we would like to present our final presentation. My name is Farazni Ahmad Aziz and my teammate is Adli Majdi bin Abu Bakar and Shafrul Azlan. Okay, for next, I will pass to Muhammad Adli to explain this project.
Hello, today I'm going to talk about our project device. This is our device, as you can see here, Naughty House. Okay, our device consists of ultrasonic sensor, buzzer, relay, ESP8266, which is the main board, and then LED, wire male to male and male to female. And the next one I will talk about is the objective of our project. Okay. The objective of our project is to develop a prototype that uses an ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor can detect and introduce with Arduino IDE as the development tool. Okay. Our second objective is to configure the system, the alarm system using Blink app to send a notification code. By using the Blink app, we can activate and deactivate the system. Okay, the third one is to notify the owner and authority through the application. The app also send notification to the owner and authority in the event of burglary. So that's all from me. So Shafal will present the next slide.
Oke, masuk.
Okay, as we can all see here, this is the end project of our device. It is in a green box. Everything is completely sealed and it is fully working. Now I will show you how our device works. So I'm going to ask our admin, Adli, to give me access from the Blink app. First thing we have to do is to open the Blink app after you download it from the Play Store, and then scan a QR code. Now, the admin will give me the QR code to log in.
Okay. Today I'm gonna talk about the owner or developer GUI. As you can see here, the GUI is the appearance is a little bit different. Yeah, we can configure the setting, especially in the notification setting. We can edit the email, who we want to send the email notification. So this is the notification setting for the push notification. Whether you want to ignore period 15 seconds or 20 seconds, it's up to you lah. And then this is where we can give an access or remove the access from the user. If I want to refresh, then it will revoke the access to everyone who have the access previously lah. So we cancel lah. Then share. So you can share through the WhatsApp or email. Or the other benefit that the developer has is they can drag and drop the button. So you can design it whichever you like lah. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. Okay, wait a minute. I search dulu. Okay, I've already sent the QR code. Dah send already.
Okay, now all we have to do is scan the QR code. After we scan the QR code, now we enter into log in into the app using our account. From here, we can receive the notifications and emails whenever there is an intrusion in our house. So uh, let me show you how it works. I will turn on the device. After the device will turn on, it will detect a movement and the buzzer will sound. Okay, here if I move my hand, it will detect movement. So you can see the box is blinking, meaning there is intrusion. And in our apps, there is blinking LED also. And here we can receive the notification. Just click on OK. And then after we receive the notification, we will also receive an email from the Blink app. I will now open my email. So this is my email. And here is the message of notification telling us there is an intrusion. So basically that is how our device works.